Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you may be. Welcome back to my channel. Yours truly, Eddie Jeezy, back on duty. It is a beautiful Tuesday, February 16, 2021, and here is the latest news and updates with regards to the CCIV and Lucid Motor updates and overview as of Tuesday, February 16, 2021. So here's the latest article from Investors Place, an article by Teskin Getgill. So rumors has been swirling around Churchill Capital, a special purpose acquisition company. SPAC suggests Lucid Motors might soon go public via a reverse merger with CCIV. The share price has risen significantly since the start of 2021 after news headlines started jumping from $10 to near $40. Investor Place readers are well versed with how hot SPACs have been over the past years, yet this jump in CCIV stock is quite significant. Even in the SPAC space in general, a SPAC like CCIV jumps from about $10 to $15 and $17 following initial announcement of a merger. Therefore, the momentum CCIV has carried without confirming a deal is impressive. But we do not know yet that this reverse merger will happen. If you're a potential shareholder, it will be important to realize that the shares are risky at this point. The early potential of a merger between CCIV stock and Lucid Motors is possibly already priced into the shares, and let's see why. CCIV stock jumps on new Tesla tie-up talks. Why has the CCIV stock price surged so much in recent weeks? It is thanks to Lucid Motors, seen as a new Tesla in the luxury electric vehicle market. Over the past years, Tesla stock has returned over 400%. We've also seen how hot the EV market is in general. The anticipation of a potential Tesla rival, as well as the momentum of the EV market, has drawn huge interest in the potential SPAC suitors' shares. California-based Lucid Motors is a pre-revenue auto group formerly known as Ativa. In a recent interview on CNBC, Lucid CEO Peter Rawlinson stated that orders for their first vehicle, the Lucid Air, have been overwhelming. This first model is expected to be shipped in the summertime. However, Lucid has a first-stage factory ready to go in Casa Grande, Arizona, which can produce 34,000 vehicles a year, which hopes that by mid-2020s they can be producing 400,000 per year. Often, the success of a SPAC depends on who the management team is. Churchill Capital CEO Michael Klein, a Wall Street veteran, already has a few successful mergers on his record. In January 2019, the group announced a merger with Clarivate Analytics, a leading global provider of comprehensive intellectual property and scientific information, analytical tools and services, in July 2020. Churchill Capital Corporation struck an $11 billion deal with a healthcare company, Multiplan, in one of the largest deals for a SPAC. Put another way, although CCIV has no operating business, the management team is experienced in the SPAC space to potentially make the next deal a success. Furthermore, Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund is a strategic investor in Lucid. Therefore, the company has access to significant amounts of capital. Despite the frothy valuation of the company, investors are excited about the prospects. However, there are clear risks to be outlined before putting your money into CCIV stock. As mentioned, there is currently no deal in place between these two companies, and we know that this rumor is the main catalyst of the share price increase. An old investment states they buy the rumor and sell the fact. Often, an event like a potential merger is priced into the share price before it is confirmed. We should also keep in mind that Lucid is still a startup automotive company, and the prospects might be exciting. A successful merger could be the start of a very appealing investment, one that many will keep their eyes on, but large amounts of capital and time are required before significant revenue will be made. On the other hand, in the weeks to come, if no deal takes place, CCIV stock price could also fall significantly. Therefore, potential investors should carefully study the risk-return profile of investing in a company at this point. Well, God willing, we'll have this merger finalized sometime today, and hopefully we'll all have a great day. And thank you so much for tuning in. Yours truly, Eddie Jeezy, and God bless.